Good morning, dear children. Today is 30th April 2021 and the day is Friday. This is your General Science video lesson. Today we are going to do Unit 5 Matter and the Water Cycle. We have already done its short question answers and the objective part. Today we are going to do its long question answers. There are 3 questions in all. You have to do all these 3 questions in your General Science classwork notebooks. Children, please do your work very neatly with margin lines drawn. Day and date should be written and also draw diagrams as well. Okay, let's begin. Question number 1 is, what do you understand by physical change? Give 3 examples of physical changes taking place in your environment. The answer is, physical changes are also called reversible changes. What are reversible changes? समथिंग दैट कैन बी चेंज्ड बैक टू व्हाट इट वाज बिफोर. ठीक है, पहले जैसे कोई चीज़ थी उसको रिवर्स कर देना, उसको अपनी वापस ओरिजिनल शेप में ले आना रिवर्सिबल चेंज होती है. दीज डू नॉट प्रोड्यूस एनी न्यू सब्सटेंसेज एंड दे आर नॉट परमानेंट चेंजेस. दे कैन चेंज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस लाइक साइज, कलर, टेक्सचर और mass. Look at this example, the melting of chocolate. If a chocolate is melted, it can be reversed back to its original position. Now look at the ice cream. This is also a reversible change. Okay, the examples given here are heating water, cooling water, and tearing of paper. Question number 2. Draw diagrams to show the arrangement of particles in a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Okay, look at these diagrams. See, here the arrangement of the solid, liquid, and gas. The particles of solid are tightly packed. Then look at the particles of liquid and then the particles of gas. You have to draw all these 3 diagrams in your notebook. Okay, let's discuss. Arrangement of particles in 3 states of matter are, look at the particles in solid. Particles are arranged in regular pattern. They are tightly packed. They vibrate about a fixed position. And what about the particles in liquid? Particles, look at the particles in liquid. See, these are arranged in an irregular pattern. They are not tightly packed but close to each other. They vibrate and move and slide past each other. And look at the particles in a gas. They have no regular pattern. They are placed apart from each other and they can move freely. See, there is a distance between these particles and they can easily move from one place to another. Okay. The last question is, how is water recycled in the water cycle? The answer is, the water cycle is a process of water moving around between the air and the land. This is a continuous process of cycling the water. In this process, sunshine heats up water and makes it evaporate. These water vapors in the air condense into water. When water droplets get heavy enough, they fall back to the ground. Okay, this question is very much clear in this diagram. You have to draw this diagram as well. Okay, that's all for today. Have a blessed Friday. Allah Hafiz.